Yeah, boy.
Cheers to the youths.
Real facts.
What I say?
Music.
Busy, y'all mommy.
I'm not free education. It's a message from the president. So girls, please fuck up. Now allow any puppy fuck and mislead you.
We are left for them. Papa, we are left for them. Small picky left them. Not for out money, you are fool them. Education are the key.
Wait, let's introduce yourself. Una go know than this person.
Hello, this is young people, and this is the voice of Casey Almami, the dance all queen, you already know.
Okay, yeah, mommy. People way the outside go on know who than this. Yeah, mommy, just give them one music where they know they listen, we don't say that you.
You already know. Look for them, say me better than Nicky. Me pum tight, say me face pretty. When me step out of street, you already know this is a dancehall queen from Fine Boy No Money. You already know this is a dancehall queen face, y'all man. Big up yourself.
Alright, we get this person and we there for talk about one serious issue they look at. We go for do with abuse. We see so many girl picking on the face abuse over the years. But yeah, mommy, Lord, I just ask you this question. You don't ever face abuse?
Not at all, but anyways, I don't do things relative they would have faced and then things and then so many.
So what can be the situation then case then they how then situations they don't like relatives and way then don't face abuse?
Like some of them can go astray, you know, some of them can able boggle up due to the background, but some of them are not able to make them up. So really that kind of status and then a bad thing because you don't find the society for let a small picky, born small picky not be able to take care of her. It's very difficult for that small picky to take care of small picky. So it's not easy. That kind of status really like bad status. Some of them can even go astray, you understand? And some of them can able make them up due to like some sensitization after I don't come up across that way. Some people they can able to sensitize them, then they can able to, but some of them really they can go out of us and they will make up anymore.
Alright, so now look at this. Where people can abuse picking either by rape or maybe sometimes them beats the picking or maltreat and abuse. How you feel about the situation? If you say picking them, girl picking them for go through the situations they do?
Like girl picking as somebody we know it would be a something. You know it would be a pressure, you know it would be a angry. So like if you get any girl pick with the men like us, the maltreater, when you do ever now us, you go na street. Sometimes a small money person they will get the mislead themselves. Like them girl picking their hooking and also we need for all and fine because like girl picking a person we know able pressure. So please anybody we know say get girl picking with the men they get for all and fine. Now people the way be say they know how to big for, they know how to for confused small talk where you can talk to like picking down day that you also how many years you know one day hold 10,000. When you push on the street or you beat and push on the street, you don't get no side for go. That man where they go rescue, I can't do something maybe say we go and bug the future so like they cannot fight for the abuse can begin.
Okay, so what about the one that we can rape small picking them?
The one that we like rape small picking I can say like them kind of thing then it's not good. That bad. Okay, imagine if you na you picking the rape or neither you small sister. In the rape, you know, go no size, you go there 3, 4. Because I can imagine some people that they rape up to them 2 months or really 1 month picking self with the rape. How you they feel? If you na you picky or not, na you sister they rape, so how you they feel? Anyway, you know good because when you imagine the baby one then they na streets plenty one. If you want 4 self, 5 self, you will able to get up last small picking. Anyway, you know good.
So them picking the waking face situation, they feel say we get the enough services like for cancel them or get treatment. If you say we get any services in the salon?
I don't think so. Actually, like them kind of thing, and when they don't occur, you know, easy for that girl picking they go able to maintain. Personally, by God, you don't power no more because it do am on a early age where you know even reach the age 8 for doing. So finally, you don't pull that picking they don't totally pull like don't unbug in future, you don't totally pull that. So nothing to get a kind of facility then before take care of them.
So what if he say the authorities that we concern need for them for say then picking and they get some services and they or then get better treatment we normally they can face situations and they
therefore no for see like actually then kind of thing then they can happen plenty one this part of the country. All the facility they need for they understand because if their facility they know they get so many dope out like that and you know go find. So do with the plea to the government sending out more of that facility they for help the girl picking there. Especially the one that they can rape, you know, easy. When they still say that they rape small picking. You understand? We know reach that age date. So do they appeal to the government so that they will call their facility so that they will help the one that they can rape.
So what about the side of the law?
Anybody will rape. It be small picking a big woman now. Where you for kill inside because when you leave, you still get the mind for do the same thing again. But when you rape, then rape you know they again. Hospital go where that other person that guy be raped 12 years old. They don't rape her. You don't done because when you do something was sinful, therefore pay you back something was sinful. You know fine. Small picky they rape them. When they rape them 5, 6, 7 years, you don't spoil them totally. If you now your own picky, now your own sister, how you go feel? For me, for be judge, any man will rape, you know they come alive again.
So what about the president who don't put this law for say life imprisonment? If you say that they helpful?
It's okay, it's very helpful because right now you don't begin reduce small. Man, if you're able to control yourself, like when they say picking there, they wear shorts in, they wear you picking way born. Oh, na they now also like you see I naked, you know they get that feeling for raper. So now the same feeling they for go up for the other company picking there because we all are family. What I can say because not only born this picking so if you do it you want to the kind of way they see you picking, where they get you picking. I can say some man the way they wash them picking them from from the age of 2, 3 and then the washer. You know they get no feeling for her. But if you not extra person picking the wash, they begin get that feeling there. So you get from begin the thing more the kind of feeling where they get for you picking. What you know while they do you picking? No do until other person picking. So totally will not forget about that business. Rape is not fine. Rape na something we know. Yeah, rape no fine because if rape the bone picking where you know one bone safe.
Okay. Now talk to the community, the country as a large because you get people that when you find them out there. Because we can say some of them people they come up with them picking them can face some of their abuse there, but parents can afraid for go and report them cases and they na police or to people that we for take strong stance. What thing will be advised to them kind of parents and they can hide them in there?
One thing for us we have to tell any parents, one, you know for allow you picking there 1, 2, 3 party there. So 2, when we are in an area, you get certain man there, they begin call you picking me woman, never encourage them. If they begin call me woman, they do her inside with no encourage them. As if they person big man begin call you picking me woman, cut off them totally. And when we get that rape case, they will not afraid. Say ask or tell what they go ask me for money. Nah, they ask you for nothing. When they set a great example, because like rape when they rape people, not afraid say they never go ask me for money. Nah, they ask you nothing. Just go and see Sabi the man where rape people go now. Any police station where they near you, just go list statement say this man he raped me because simple they don't know. The government, the law they take care of are very well. Not afraid, not say and they don't rape. I say sometimes if you go be likely, you go be say then I uncle rape or na brother na rape. Because that thing they can happen. When I want to take say family business not dey because you don't spoil that picking future. If you now want to take say na family business, you don't think about the picking future. You have to think about the picking future. Rape family business not dey. Anybody will rape. You don't go against the law. Therefore treat you like how the law say.
So you, if you sabi person with something don't face abuse in the area, if people are not reports, you go report that person there?
I will report her because me na person I don't take play.
Okay. Now let me just get you fancy outside go to listen and go and get some relax around just tell them, just show them short entertainment on waiting how people are for they access the services.
You already know. No allow when you teacher for use it for grade. Take your education and not put under you aid. No follow by the party them sister they break. Cause this one where we see so now God be afraid. Tell friends who know the boyfriend. I say my sister their life you know they pay. If not your brother your sister that is so my sister tell me if you go okay. Why is church that small one with plenty big fine girls them they you already know we get plenty fine girls every day around. You want 10, you want 20, 30, any amount you want. Just go out there and get a nice time. Come on, be in the small picking there. Picking not the able to take care of picking. Picking not the able men picking. I can imagine when picking they then 12 years of age in the born. I got a lot of people there in the area. That's not some picking there. As I don't begin see say you na pussy we don't be dropouts. I know they go close to you because when I pussy I admire girl picking when you don't go school and that age the quick you did 18 you did SS3 or you don't sit you ask and they like you. The car they do me music and they call you say can't listen what you do, you understand? I say when you be what you want, but as I see say like you don't become a dropout. I they like you but not that kind way. I know they come close to it because you know they inspire me because why so back what you came on with the mille with the guy picking there with the mille of fine. You go down there next year, you say let them count for you. One picky, one come in. You want not so many they come in now for come man teaser. Not this girl picking. If you able all are fine, you the benefits from girl picking. Because girl picking where you don't go find everybody wants here. Where girl picking be president, everybody wants here. Where girl picking be doctor, everybody wants here. So una left for this girl picking. Girl picking a possible for encourage. And watch everybody, every home, whether they encourage girl picking, how they can come on, and they be the doctor, the lawyer, the minister. Because the encouragement they, you know, I can sabi some people whether the men and girl picking, I like you do bad thing, you know, they beat and send on the street, you know, they starve her. Because when they starve her, they push her for the bokutine. So do you ain't not say the man sees girl picking, not for left, because if we catch you, they don't know go left you, only better one.
I say plenty thanks to you. Fazi Yalimami will get inside the studio this afternoon.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you there.
Me love my education, Lord. Cause education is the key to success. Me put my education first.